What are some traditional Chinese meat tenderizing techniques used in Chinese restaurants?
Hello there, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the secrets of Chinese cuisine, specifically how to achieve that melt-in-your-mouth texture often found in dishes at Chinese restaurants. Yes, we're talking about traditional Chinese meat tenderizing techniques.
What is meat tenderizing?
Before we dive into the specific techniques, it's important to understand what we mean by tenderizing. Meat tenderizing is the process of breaking down the tough muscle fibers and connective tissues in meat, resulting in a softer, more palatable texture. In Chinese cuisine, achieving a tender, succulent texture in meats is an art form in itself.
Marinating with baking soda.
One of the most popular Chinese meat tenderizing techniques is marinating meat with baking soda. This process, known as velveting, involves coating the meat with baking soda, letting it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinsing it off thoroughly. The alkaline nature of baking soda breaks down the protein in the meat, making it tender and smooth.
Velveting with egg whites and cornstarch.
Another common velveting technique involves egg whites and cornstarch. In this method, the meat is marinated in a mixture of egg whites, cornstarch, and sometimes rice wine or soy sauce. The egg whites add moisture to the meat, and the cornstarch forms a protective layer around it during cooking, preventing it from getting tough.
Using a cleaver.
Physical tenderizing methods are also popular in Chinese cooking. The use of a cleaver is one such technique. The meat is sliced against the grain, and then the flat part of a heavy cleaver is used to pound and flatten the meat, breaking down the tough fibers.
Slow cooking.
Finally, let's not forget slow cooking. This time-honored technique is often used in Chinese stews and braised dishes. Slow cooking at a low temperature for several hours can make even the toughest cuts of meat fall apart tender. These techniques, all rooted in the heart of traditional Chinese cuisine, are key to achieving that tender, flavorful meat we all love in Chinese dishes. Try them out the next time you're cooking meat, and notice the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been insightful. Happy cooking!